Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. Let me see if I get this thing ready. Okay, here we go. Push, push. You can't get the clutch thing. What's this? Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh no. What's the matter? Can you clutch it? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Why is it not working? This stupid thing won't clutch. Come on. Is this for real? Is this for real? No way. What is going on? I'm trying to damn clutch it. Dude, clutch, clutch, clutch. What the hell? Come on, come on. Come on. What the hell? What's this stupid thing? Okay. I think this is gonna start. Damn it. What the fucking brake? I'm out of this thing here. This is so sad. I got a junker right here. This Polaris. Oh, now it's off.